Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, everybody. And well, today we have some sort of news about the movements going on with Top Thrill 2. But if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the spooky community. We know it's early, but spooky season is coming up next, and we have tons of exciting haunted stuff coming in the next few months. Huge shout out goes out to all of our channel members and Coaster Ghostin' producers. You are the spookiest and best community out there, and we appreciate all of you. So, it's been a while since we saw movement, but on cue we started seeing more action near the ride a few days ago.
On July 22nd, we saw a little action in the infield. Photos taken by David Chapman show more cables near the trains looking like they're getting put in place. The backs of the seats are off in the middle row pictured, and there's also some hoses laying around, and you can see someone working on something there as well. As to what that work pertains to, we don't really know, but it's obviously the train. But the other day, users on Twitter, Top Thrill Status, posted some intriguing pics of the train work happening, but also noticed the ride closed signs were abundant all over the midway as well. So if you guys were wondering, Top Thrill 2 is still closed.
As we can see in the pictures, there is an entire row missing now and a tent over the top of the train with workers on board doing some work on it. Again, what that work is, we do not know, but we can see things being taken off now, worked on again, and progress happening in real time again. Though we don't know what the timeline is for any of the work at this point either, it's still a step in the right direction, so we think. The ride is going to be on 74 days of being closed, a good portion of the summer passing by, and we really want to get some rides on Top Thrill 2 as soon as it reopens.
Now, we know this wasn't a huge update, everyone, but it's what's happening at the moment, and we'll keep our eyes peeled for anything else happening over the next few weeks and months, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with everything that we can. A huge shout out goes out to all of our Coaster Ghostin' producers and members of the channel for helping bring all of this content to the channel. We wouldn't be able to do this without all of you guys. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let us know when you think Top Thrill 2 will reopen and what the work going on could be pertaining to. It's an interesting development without much context from us, so if anyone has any thoughts, we'd love to hear them, and we'd love to have a good conversation about it. We're hopeful an update comes soon when Cedar Point has some information from Zamperla here, but for now, go enjoy the peninsula and some great coasters at Cedar Point.
As always, thank you for being a part of our spooky community and for Coaster Ghostin' with Ghoster Coasters.
Have a Ghoster Coastin' day, everybody.
And a Coaster Ghostin' night.